Hi, this is a demonstration of fingerprint based security system project. So this is a security based system where we use fingerprint authentication to authenticate users, and only the users who are authenticated to use the system or the door are allowed inside, and users who are not authenticated cannot enter because the system automatically does this work of authentication using their fingerprints, which are a unique feature of every person. So for this purpose, as you can see, we have a fingerprint sensor which is integrated to our microcontroller based circuit, which has an LCD display along with an Atmega microcontroller, which also has push buttons here which are required for configuring the system into menu mode and normal mode. And after that we have a door, as you can see here. This can be assumed as a door for any entrance for a secure facility, or as a door of the locker, or any such precious thing where precious entry where the entrance should be authenticated to particular users. So let's see a live demonstration of the system working. Let's turn on the system. So as you can see here, the system has been turned on here and has been initialized. So now it gives us two options. First is enroll and second is start. The enroll option is used to enroll a new user or register a new user in the system, and the start one is used to start monitoring for users. So now let's enroll a user here. So now it's asking to press a finger so that the system can configure that finger as a registered user. So let's scan a fingerprint. So it asks us to scan the finger 2 times for re-verification, and as you can see, it's saying that the user has been registered as ID 1. So now let's scan one more finger as another user. And let's scan again. So after the fingerprint matches, it registers that finger into the system and it has been registered. So now let's go into normal mode. Let's press this button here to go into normal mode again, and now let's start it. So the system is now working live. It is into monitoring state. So now whenever user enters here, he needs to scan his fingerprint after pressing the enter button. As you can see, since the user was authenticated, the system opened the door or the secure access entry point. And now let's scan an invalid finger here which was not registered into the system, and let's see what happens. As you can see, it's showing that the user is not authorized and hence is not allowed to enter this particular point. And let's scan the other authorized one which we had registered, and as you can see, the authorized user was allowed to enter the point. So this is how the system achieves a secure entrance functionality for high security areas. So this is how the project works. Thank you.